Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, today I am going to prepare fruit juice, so stay tuned. I'm going to break the coconut, set the juice aside and get the fruit ready.
Feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves every day.
So here I have carrots already sliced. I have lemon, pineapple, ginger, and my coconut fruit.
With the summer days.
Cucumber. Okay, so I'm going to peel off one of the cucumber skin and I will leave the other one unpeeled. Okay, so I'm going to use the two of them. Just watch me.
And the tan line, keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine on the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines, keep a free mind, yeah.
Add all your fruit together.
Yeah, I feel so free. Forget who we are.
Add some water depending on the quantity of your choice. I need to slice my coconut to enable my hand blender to blend it. I also need to slice my ginger into small pieces.
Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life.
After all this, then you start blending.
Yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right vibes and the tan lines, keep a free mind, yeah.
So I used this strainer, but I wasn't getting the exact extraction that I want, so I decided to use white hanky.
Oh, yeah. Hey, 'cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right vibes and the tan lines, keep a free mind, yeah.
Drumming on the beat.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I send them on devotion and told them my thoughts.
Transferring the chaff into a bigger tray, and I'm going to dry this to use as one of my spices.
Days to places, a better one I saw. I said, oh, I love somebody.
Adding the lemon juice.
Oh, can you even let me get that close? Baby, the fire calling me, but you don't know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you don't know the reach of my love. Well, do you love yourself? Baby, the fire calling me.
So now my juice is ready. I am going to add my milk. Please, you can add sugar at this point. Just add anything you need to add to your choice. So here my juice is ready. Join me as I enjoy my fruit juice.
Like a magnet to a knot.